Welcome back, financial investors. My name is Brent, and today we're going to have another recording here with my special guest, Jaden. And my name, of course, is Brent. And today we're going to be jumping into the IRA account that we made back at the end of July. And it's been a full month. And Jaden here, we are using this account to show him how he is able to make money with money. So he's not having to go out there and work for his money. I'm trying to kind of showcase this skill early on so that way later, when he does get to the age, maybe 14 to 16, where he's maybe looking for some activities that is able to build him money, he knows that he is able to generate money without having to go and work for it. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and get into this video, go over the IRA account that was started, look at the performance of it for the month of August, and if any dividends were paid out. We're going to go ahead and have Jaden here take a look at the account, how much it lost, how much it gained, and if he made any money this month in August. So if you are brand new to the channel, have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, hit the thumbs up, and if you have any comments or questions, drop them into the comment section below, and let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to go ahead and flip the screen around here now.
Yeah, and this is my dad.
Yep, and I'm your dad. So here's the account right now in front of your eyes. Now, we started the account with 2 ETFs, exchange traded funds. Jaden invested in the SPLV, which was the Investico S&P 500 Low Volatility Fund, and the SPHD, the Investico S&P 500 High Dividend Fund. Now, the SPHD is actually down 3.51%, and the Investico Low Volatility is up 1.47% since we started buying this specific fund. Okay, now, Jaden,
What?
you started this account with $500.
Yep, $500.
Yep, $552.90 right now. Now, in the month of August, you lost money.
How did I lose money?
Well, okay, so we added $500 at the very beginning. You went from $500 all the way to $481, right?
Like all the way to.
Yeah, down. We went down here, and then we added a little bit of money because we were down. We talked about this in another. We went off video, and we said, "Look, Jada, we got to buy some stocks right now because your stocks went down. If you buy now, you can make more money later on."
What is talk?
We talked. Oh, stocks are the paper. They're paper pieces of a company. So you know when you go to the store, and let's say a good store out there. What's a good store?
Like Christmas.
Barnes and Nobles. You know the bookstore, right?
Mhm.
Okay, that stock. They have a stock, and you're buying a piece of their company.
Mm.
Yep. So that's what you're buying here. You're buying a piece of a company, and that company pays you money to own it. Okay. So in the month of August, you went down. Let's see, 1 month performance. You went down roughly 48 cents. So you lost 2 quarters. You know what quarters are, right? When you do a chore.
Yeah, like. Ring.
Yep, the little silver coins. You lost 2 50-cent pieces. But
Yeah, like these ones.
oh, you're right. Oh, that's not a quarter. That's a euro. 1 euro. So but here we go. This account made $1.55 last month.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so that's quite a bit. So here, we're going to look at the activity tab, and Jaden here, with his 2 funds that he invested in last month, he had one, the SPLV, which paid out 50 cents. So you made 2 quarters right there.
Yeah.
They paid you. Did you have to go out there and work for 2 quarters?
Yeah.
Where did you have to go work at?
On my house.
On the house. Well, you had other chores around the house, but you didn't put that into here, right?
No, I didn't even put any money into here.
Yeah, you didn't put any money into here recently besides these deposits earlier when the portfolio was majorly in the red. Earlier in August, we added a little bit of money, but this other account here, this SPHD, this ETF, paid you out $1.
Is $1?
It's the paper with the 1.
Yeah.
The paper dollar with the 1. So right now you have $1.55 sitting right now in the account.
Like this paper?
Nah, sort of. It's the dollar bills. So right now, what we're going to go ahead and do is, Jaden here, is we're going to go ahead and look at the 2. We have 3 funds in the account. One that's unfunded, one that has $278, and the other that has $274. So Jaden,
What?
this one right here, it's green, which means that it's up right now, right here. So here on the screen, this is up $3.87 over here.
Is this green?
That is the color green over there, and this is blue, right?
Yeah, but this is not where I get money.
Yeah, these are slices showing the total money that you have invested in these. So Jaden, over here on the right, this one up here, you've made almost $4 from this one, and this one's down almost $10. So you have $1.55 sitting in the account. Which one do you think we should buy? Do you think we should buy the one that's more expensive, or do you think we should buy the one that's a little bit cheaper because you bought it in the past, but it came down and it's on sale right now?
Cheaper.
Cheaper. So we want to buy the cheaper one, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select the SPHD right now, and we're going to go ahead and hit buy. Now, Jaden, can you find the 1 on the keyboard and type that in, 1, and then go ahead and hit a 0, find the 0 on the keyboard. It's over towards the right there. Okay, so on M1 Finance, we have to make a minimum buy of $10, but it will be able to reinvest our $1.55 specifically into SPHD, which Jaden here has selected because it is on sale. This is an exchange traded fund that has multiple companies within it, and it allows them to have basically a 4% buyback yield on this specific fund. Now, Jaden, if you were to buy this one, it's more expensive right now.
Yeah. Those are your pens.
Yeah, they're expensive right now. It's up 1.47%, which is not a lot, but because you're investing in 2 or 3 funds that are very similar, if you buy the one that's at a cheaper discount, you're able to buy more of it, and you get paid more next month.
You just moved that.
I know, I moved them out, or the microphone, huh?
Yeah.
So right now, remember, we got paid $1.55.
Only $1.
Only $1. Let's go ahead and make the screen. So what we've done here is I did add another fund in here, but we're not going to be funding it right now at this time. I want to wait for this fund to come down just a little bit further. Right now, we're going to be mainly sticking to SPLV and SPHD. And Jaden here has decided that buying into the fund that is actually negative gives him a bit of a discount. And we'll actually show that in an upcoming video where right now we made $1.55 this month. Jaden here made $1.55 in cash. You didn't have to go out and work for it, right?
Yeah.
You didn't have to go out and work.
I can't even tell you what.
Exactly. He didn't have to go to work, so the money he made in the account was completely for free, and he didn't have to go and work for it.
Because I'm too little.
And you're too little. Let's go ahead and make the big screen here.
Yeah.
Okay, Jaden, did you? So I know you're not all the way understanding all of this right now, right?
Yeah.
It's a little bit confusing.
Yeah, it has you bigger.
I'm obviously bigger, and I'm trying to showcase how you can work. You don't have to work. How you can make your money work for you.
Yeah.
That's the main thing that we're trying to do here. So last month, you put in $500 at the very beginning. You added $600 in August, and you made $1.55 without having to work. That's a pretty good deal, right?
Is it 65?
$1.55. Yep, you're right. So Jaden, would you want $1.55 back in your hand right now, or do you think next month you would want more money?
I want more money next month.
So what Jaden has said here, let's remember to look at the elephant. So what Jaden has said here is that he wants to not take the money right now. Instead, he's going to reinvest those dividends, and it's going to pay him more money next month. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
So right now, we'll take that $1.55. He invested it into the SPHD account, and it's going to pay out 4% yield. Now, $1.55 isn't going to make much of a difference on a month-by-month basis, but over time, right?
Next month, over time.
Yeah, next month, over time, it's going to steadily pay out more dividends, and $1.55 over a 12-month period, that is almost $16 that Jaden here is not going to have to go out and work for. And this is just starting an early account. Now, if you're an investor out there and you're older than Jaden here at 4, right, Jaden, how old are you?
4, and I'm too little to at work.
Yeah, he can't go out and work right now, but if he started his own custodian account and he had money that he makes from chores, or he gets money from his grandparents or somebody out there, he can invest his own money in a custodian account, and he will know how can you make money with your money.
Buy houses?
You can buy houses, But you could also buy stocks too, right?
Yeah, like this.
Exactly. So that is basically all I wanted to cover in today's video. Let's go ahead and say bye.
Bye.
So if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, remember to hit the subscribe button below.
Yeah.
Give this video a thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up and hit the like button.
Yeah, click the like button and give this button a subscribe. And thank you all for tuning in. I will see you next time. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Bye.